It's often said that home is where the heart is. Ideally, most of us are fortunate enough to have a place to call home. The luckiest of us can say that we have a second home. This is my second home. This off-grid cabin in the northern Algoma forest was built by my grandfather back in the 1960s. Through the years, I've visited regularly, sometimes less often than I wanted to, but more recently, I'm here whenever I can be. There's a bit of work to do in order to make it cozy, but not much. I've been looking out this door for over 40 years. Although some things have changed, most things are pretty much the same. used to be that the walls themselves were the pages on which we'd make our journal entries. These days, the walls are getting pretty crowded, so we use a paper journal. This way, we can be more detailed with our accounts of the weather and conditions of snow or trails to keep track through the years. I didn't have a specific reason to come up to this lake, but it's my favorite of the three in the area, so I made the trek to say hi. We should always give thanks to the water and land we love. Sad relations as their shoes fill up with water. Maybe I'm just too young to keep good love going wrong. But tonight you're on my mind, so never know. Broken down and hungry for your love, with no way to feed it. Where are you tonight, child? You know how much I need it. Although I much prefer to come up here with my partner Sherry, sometimes I come alone. To be creative, to find inspiration, to just calm the mind and listen for the muse, if I'm able to hear. This guitar, much like the camp itself, once belonged to my grandfather. Sometimes memories can be overwhelming, but they're so important to us, almost as much as making new ones is. On magical mornings like this, you just get outside and walk. The stillness of the morning can tell you so many things, and most of them are about yourself. It keeps me grounded to know that life goes on here, even without my presence, maybe despite my presence. It's humbling, but at the same time, you can feel special to be even a small part of it. With the fresh blanket of snow on the trees and trail, it makes these waning days of the March winter seem like December. There's nothing like making new tracks on a wide expanse of fresh snow. The solitude we find on this land and water is what we come here for. It's magical, energizing. You can almost feel your batteries charging in the silence. To me, camp represents solitude, represents peace. It represents comfort in what can be a relatively harsh landscape. Camp also represents hard work and perseverance. It's a symbol of heritage, of the passing of generations. Camp represents love. A love of the place that created me, a love of the people who shaped who I am, a love for myself and those around me, and a love for what each new dawn brings. But most of all, camp represents home. Thanks, camp.